How to change voices in Google Translate. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can change voices in Google Translate. For this, open up any web browser and head over to translate.google.co.uk. Once you're here, you simply want to type in any text over here. Once you do that, from this drop-down menu, select any language that you want to change it into. Then you want to click on the voice icon.
नमस्कार दोस्तों आपका स्वागत है
Now you can only change the voice if it is in a different language. However, you cannot change it from the English language itself. For this, you can head over to any other web browser and then head over to naturalreaders.com. Make sure to sign into your account. You can do that using your Google account as well. Once you have been signed in, you simply want to enter any text you want here. Then click on the play button.
Hi guys, welcome.
Now, if you want to change it, click on this icon and select any voice you want. After you have selected that, you can simply click on the play button again.
Hi guys, welcome.
And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.